Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to do various file editing techniques using TextPad. TextPad is a very versatile intuitive tool where you can, do various operations with your TextPad and your text files and let's get started, and let me show you some of the techniques that I use on a day-to-day basis. Right. First thing is we need to open TextPad, and if you don't have TextPad installed, it's a freeware. You can go to Google and type TextPad, and you can go directly to the textpad.com and download TextPad from there. So I already have a text file. Let me open the text file. So I have a sample file here. So let's say like you have a text file like this, and you want to make some kind of file edits in a batch mode, or you want to work on it line by line, whichever way you want to do. But there are some cool and unique tool options that you have in TextPad. One of the best options that I use is, for example, if you have a file like this and you just wanted to add like sequencing here, something like this. So you got to go into each and every line and do it right in a normal. So probably if you have like maybe 10 rows or something, it may not be a big deal. You can manually do it, but if you have hundreds and thousands of rows, it's kind of hard, right? So we have a cool option in TextPad. So what you have to do is go to configure, and there's something called block select mode here. You do the block select, and all you gotta do is come in here. You see, so you selected the first column of the entire text file. So what you can do is then go to edit and say like there's something called in the edit, you have something called fill block. So within that option, you can say like with characters or with numbers from 1 by 1, align left, or the fill mode is insert or replace. If you say replace, what it's going to do is it's going to replace all these first column with the whatever options you choose. But in this case, I'm going to say like insert here. So see here, so I'm going to insert something like this. So now you got, but you want to have a period here, right? So so what I can do is I can select this one more time, edit, fill block, and I would say like with characters, and that, and I would say like insert here, boom. So now you got your text file indexed with all the numbers here. So similarly, in some cases, since I'm a programmer, so what I do is a lot of times I write my SQL statements or something here, or maybe most of my data is here in a text file. So in that situation, if I have to do any kind of file operations, I can use that block select mode, and I can do anything. For example, if I just wanted to say like a first few letters, and if I need something like this, what I can do is I select it here. I can just say like edit, cut, and I can open a new one, and I can just paste it here. See here. So if you want to make any kind of operation, you simply go and you can do. Maybe we need to go block select. We need to get rid of the spaces for me, so that's how I do it. So then and let's say like you want to put all this stuff in a quote or something, you know. So if I select it from there, I'm gonna remove stuff here. Sorry. So I want to put something in single quotes or double quotes. I can use the same technique, and let's say like I want to put in a double quote here. Fill block, and do like this. Similarly, I can put here fill block. I'm gonna say, in this case, I'm going to say replace. It's fine. You see, I mean, these kind of stuff that you can easily do. I mean, if it is, as I mentioned, you know, if it is a few number of rows, I think you can do the stuff manually. But if you are working on working on any data manipulation stuff, or if you're trying to make a lot of coding changes or anything, this is very useful. So coming back here, I'm saying Control Z here. So we got something like this, and there are a lot of other options in this one here. For example, you know, like you want to cut, you have multiple options to cut. You know, like you can cut a word, you can cut a line, you can cut line at pen. And similarly, you can copy different options here, and you want to change the case, you can invert the case. Let me select this. Edit. So if I say invert case, what it's going to do is it's going to change all the lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. This is a cool technique, and or if you want to convert everything to lowercase or uppercase, you can do that. See, that's a cool option. Also, you have sentence case, and all of you have sentences, and you got you can align left or right. I mean, if I say center here, it's going to center that. You can do it one row, or you can select the whole thing, and you can say like, sorry. So it aligns everything into center. So yep, and you can insert lines here. You can join lines. Go to insert. You can say like line after line before page break. So you can insert statistics. So that's it for today, and hopefully you'll explore further on these lines. And this is a very cool tool, and once you start using it, and I think you really like it. I use this pretty much every day in my day-to-day job. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed my demo here, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.